Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to delete the filtered rows using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So in today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to filter the data based on role in company, right? And then whatever data comes here, I will just delete them, right? And after that, I will remove the filter from the data, right? I will close this file and go back to Power Automate Desktop. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case, you need to include the Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. Interop.Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.dll and system.data.datasetExtensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. So first of all, what I will do is I will create an object of Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.application and I will name it as Excel app equals to new, paste it again, dot application bracket semicolon. Now I will set the visible property of Excel app to true so that you can see the Excel application on your screen. After this, I will create an object of workbook WB. Then I will use Excel app dot workbooks dot open. Here I will specify the file path, and before this double quotes I will put @ sign and then I will paste the file path, and then I will put semicolon. I will create an object of worksheet, and here what I will do is I will do the typecasting. With that, I will just copy this Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot worksheet workbook dot sheets, and here I will specify the index of the worksheet, which is 1, right? And then semicolon. Now what I will do is I will make sure that there is no filter applied on the worksheet, right? So I will say auto filter mode is equals to false. Now I will use worksheet dot used range dot auto filter. So used range means whatever data we have on the sheet, there we will apply the filter, and here I will specify the index of the column on which we want to apply the filter. So in my case it is 4, and we want to apply the filter based on analyst, then comma, then I will use Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot Excel auto filter operator dot Excel, which is in small letter, filter values, and then semicolon. Now what we will do is we will create an object of range. So I will use Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot range, and here I will have this visible rows equals to worksheet dot use range dot special cells bracket semicolon, and inside that I will specify Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot Excel cell type dot Excel cell type visible, right? So here we will get the number of rows which is found after applying the filter. Now we will delete those filtered rows. For that we will use for each loop, and then here I will use Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot range row in, and then visible rows dot rows, and then curly bracket. Inside that I will put a condition which is row dot row greater than 1. Now I will again put a curly bracket, and inside that I will write a code to delete the rows. So here it's going to be row dot delete. In the bracket I will put Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel delete shift direction dot Excel shift up, then semicolon. And in the end what I will do is I will remove the filter from the worksheet. I will just copy this and paste it here. So now what will happen is, after deleting the rows, it will remove the filter from the worksheet. Now I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that it has applied the filter and then it has deleted the rows and removed the filter. Now here you can see we do not have any row where the role in company is analyst, right? So this is how you can delete the rows in Excel using C# coding Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.